we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Stuck between the Sony FE24-70mm F2.8 GM2 and the Canon EF 100mm f/2.8 LIS USM macro lens? This is a classic showdown. Both are renewed lenses, but they cater to completely different creative visions.
The Sony 24-70mm GM2 is the updated standard zoom, promising top-tier image quality. But at around $1,830 renewed, is it really worth the investment when there are other options?
It's not just image quality, it's about versatility. Imagine nailing a sharp landscape at 24mm, then zooming to 70mm for a portrait with that signature G-Master bokeh. Plus, it's the world's lightest f/2.8 standard zoom, making it a dream for all-day shoots.
The Canon 100mm macro, on the other hand, is laser-focused. Macro only? At around $645 renewed, it's significantly cheaper. But what if you need to shoot anything other than tiny subjects?
Exactly. Let's break down where each lens truly excels and help you decide which one deserves a spot in your bag. Sony's 4XD linear motors deliver blazing fast, near-silent autofocus. We're talking about capturing action at up to 30 frames per second on compatible bodies. Think wildlife, sports, even fast-moving kids. Missed focus is a thing of the past.
The Canon fights back with image stabilization, a must-have for macro work. Handheld close-ups at 1:1 magnification are actually achievable, opening up creative possibilities without lugging around a tripod. But is that enough to beat pure speed?
Don't underestimate the Canon's near-silent USM focusing. It's not just for stealthy insect photography. Think about video work, crystal clear audio without distracting lens motor noise. That's a huge advantage.
But here's the core difference. The Sony adapts to almost any situation with its zoom range. The Canon is a prime lens locked at 100mm, excelling at extreme close-ups, but less useful for general photography.
It's a fundamental trade-off. Flexibility versus specialization. Are you a jack of all trades or a master of the miniature?
Precisely. If you need a reliable, high-performance lens for a variety of subjects, landscapes, portraits, events, the Sony 24-70mm G-Master 2 is a fantastic choice, albeit a pricey one.
But if you're captivated by the intricate details of the world and crave stunning, life-size macro images, the Canon 100mm macro is an absolute steal, especially renewed.
Both are exceptional lenses, but for distinct purposes. Align your choice with your photographic passion and the subjects you love to shoot. Now, get out there and create some incredible images.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.